Hi, I am Hari Vignesh. I made this video to showcase my project which have been made with an code basics resume project challenge number 4 with an Atliq Hardware's consumer goods domain with an ad hoc request. So we've been given a 10 request which have been analyzed with SQL query and have been visualized in Power BI and presenting to you within Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is my home page of this particular project and Power BI dashboard. So here it's an project summaries button, and here is a data analysis page button. So this page buttons will be directing us to that particular pages. Okay, so let's have a quick view of this entire report. So this is the project summary which I have been given a brief summary of this particular project. So I have been given a database of 6 tables which contains product details, sales details, prices and customer informations. And I have been given, as I said, I have been given 10 ad hoc insights in which it contains markets in which Atliq exclusive customers have businesses in APAC region, or the highest and lowest manufacturing cost of the products. So these are kind of the requests which been given to us. So I've been analyzed that, and looking at the data from fiscal years 2020 and 2021, it's clear that there is a better growth in 2021 than 2020. Okay, this is like due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and otherwise company has a decent revenue for entire years. Okay, so this is to continue this growth, and we should focus on customer and consumer satisfaction. So customer and consumer satisfaction will, of course, it will be automatically improve our revenue. So another way to increase our profit margin is that we should reduce pre-invoice discounts that we giving to the customers, so it can also increase our profit margin. So these are the buttons that will be directing us to the pages, particular request pages. So these are 1 to 10 requests, and this is a home button which will be leading to the home page. Okay, so let's see request one by one. So let's go to the request number 1. So request number 1, we used to provide the list of markets in which customer Atliq exclusive operates its businesses in the APAC region, so Asia Pacific region, in which Atliq exclusive have businesses. So Atliq exclusive having 8 markets in which Australia, Bangladesh, all these kinds of 8 countries. But we can see to it by which all these 8 markets having direct channels, but India alone having direct and retail channels. So this is the difference in this particular request. So we can see also to the requesting country by clicking on it. So this particular table is a representation of my SQL queries result. Okay, so in every slide this table represents the SQL query result, and this is my chart, map chart, and this is the Atliq company's logo, and this is the GitHub logo, in which by clicking this it will be directed to the GitHub repo of where I have been posted my SQL query. Okay, this is the home button. So we can move to the next query, in which request number 2. So request number 2 is that what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2020, in which 2020 there are 245 unique products, and 2021 334 unique products, so which have been increased by 89 products and got a 36.33 high percentage growth. Okay, so this is the final chart which describes our change, and this is the perfect change, percentage change. Okay, so let's move to the next request, which is request number 3, in which provide a report with all the unique product counts for each segment and sort them in descending order of product counts. So we've been sorted them in descending orders. So notebook and accessories got 20 unique products, whereas networking got 3 unique products, which is low, and the highest is notebook and accessories. This is the pie chart in which it describes all the percentage with the percentage. Accessories and notebook has 27 percentage, and desktop got the lowest, networking got the lowest. Okay, so let's go to the request number 4. So request number 4 is that which segment had the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2020, in which 2020 there are 69 products, and in 2021 103 products in accessories table, in which got 34 number of products increase, which is 49 percentage difference. Okay, so it's increased by 49 percentage, which describes the percentage of accessories. Okay, so accessories, it's 49 percentage. Okay, whereas we can see having 214 percentage, which is desktop. So desktop products was 7 in the year of 2020, but in 2021 we have increased with 22, which has got a 15 count of increase, which got the 214 percentage, which describes that we focused more on desktop segments. Okay, so this is the request number 4. So we move to the request number 5, in which request number 5 is to get the products that have highest and lowest manufacturing cost. So in terms of highest manufacturing cost, Home Allen AQ Home Allen product has the 224.84 rupees of cost, whereas in 2021 the next generation of this particular product is only with a 240, which has been increased with slight change in the price. And for the master wired is 0.89, which is lowest, and master wide is 0.92, which is lowest in 2021. Also pen drive DRC is 0.92, which is lowest also. So it's also says that we've been fixing to the pricing, we've been changing the generation, but we've been fixing to the pricing. We have a slight change in the price, we are not deviating more in the prices, which will be having an impressive look for the customers, for the consumers. Okay, so this is my request number 5. So we move to the request number 6. Okay, request number 6 is to that generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for the fiscal year 2021. And in the Indian market had a highest number of customers, in which Flipkart got the first place, in which Flipkart customer got 30.83 percentage pre-invoice discount. And in the top 5, Amazon got the fifth place, in which it got 29.33 percentage of pre-invoice discount. So this is way big high, but Flipkart, Vivek's, Ezone, Chroma and Amazon are the top 5 customers who getting a highest pre-invoice discount. So let's move to the next request number 6. So request number 6 is to that this. So request number 7. So request number 7 is that uh, request number 7 is to get the complete report of gross sales amount for the customer Atliq exclusive for each month. So this particular report gives the complete report of 2 years, 2 fiscal years, with the Atliq exclusive, for the Atliq exclusive of gross sales amount. So in which the Atliq the fiscal year starts from the September month and ends at the August. So this is the about September 2019 to August 2021. So in which we got November 2020, which got the highest number of revenue, which is 32.2 million. Okay, so this is the November 22, and the unfortunately March 22 got the lowest, which is 8 lakh. Okay, 0.8 million. Okay, so this is our request, which has a detailed explanation of each every month revenue. Okay, so let's see to the next request, which is request number 8, in which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity. So total sold quantity of 2020 in quarter wise, which will be coming to for Q1, it came with 7 million. Okay, so there is a slider also, so we can see the particular number. So this is the 7 million got the Q1 has made and sold quantity of 7 million, and Q3 unfortunately made only 2 million products. Okay, so 2.1 million. So this is the request number 8, and we can see to the request number 9. So which is request number 9, which channel helped to bring more gross sales in the fiscal year 2021 and the percentage of contribution. So request number 9 is to these three channels, which is direct, distributor, retailer. There are only 3 channels, in which retailer got a massive revenue, which is 33 percentage of revenue from our retailer channel. Okay, so the total revenue we made in the fiscal year 2021 is that 2.63 billion, which is way big higher, and the upcoming years we should even more focus on even more higher. So this is the request number 9, in which we can see to the request number 10 finally. So the request number 10 is that to get the top 3 products in each division that have a high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. So there are 3 divisions, which is N&S, P&A and PC. So in which three divisions we made a particular rank system for 1 to 3, which in the each divisions as per the request for 2021 alone. Okay, so this is the pen drive 2-in-1 pen drive DRC, which is ranked 1 2 3. And surprisingly we can see that all these particulars are having a slight change only from one third rank first rank to third rank. There is only a slight change, which is 96.4 percentage for N&S. For P&A it's only 97.9 percentage, and for PC it's only 99.1 percentage. So we've been having a great sold quantity for all these particular divisions. Okay, so these are the 10 requests. So by clicking this we can go to the conclusion page. Okay, so this is my conclusion page, which is the last page of this particular dashboard, in which we can see that this analysis is completely of the consumer goods for the Atliq Hardware. And this project particularly this project has been done for by the MySQL for the data exploration, and built the dashboard using Power BI, as I said earlier. So in I have been honed my SQL skills and Power BI skills even more higher. And in SQL I used CTE, joins and other techniques to for the data exploration. And in Power BI I've been used various charts like funnel chart, map chart and various charts, so which is increasing my ability skills. Okay, skills. So this is all about my project of this particular resume project challenge number 4. So I personally thank very much for the code basics to provide this kind of a challenge, which will be very much motivating and encouraging for us to do higher, even more better of our work itself. So it was very great doing this kind of a project challenge. And at like this particular project helped me to grow more, and thank you for that. And viewers who are viewing this video presentation and this particular complete video, thank you for you to patiently wait to till the end of the video and seeing to all the my project. So thank you everyone, thank you for presenting this opportunity, giving me this opportunity. And finally I have done my project of code basics, and I have completed my project. So thank you all for listening.